Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of HeyGen. If you've ever wanted to create professional videos without ever stepping in front of a camera, then you've probably heard of HeyGen. This AI tool claims you can generate realistic talking avatars, translate videos into multiple languages, and scale content creation like never before. But here's the real question. Is HeyGen actually worth the $29 per month pricing? Or is it just another overhyped AI tool? Well, let's look into it. HeyGen is an AI-powered video generation platform that allows you to create videos using AI avatars instead of real humans. So instead of recording yourself, setting up lighting, editing footage, you simply type a script, choose an avatar, select a voice, and HeyGen generates the video for you. And that's it. And this is a big deal because traditional video production is expensive, time-consuming, and not scalable. In fact, the platform is already used by thousands of businesses to create and scale video content globally. What makes HeyGen really stand out is its focus on AI avatars that actually look human, with realistic facial expressions, lip syncing, and voice matching. And beyond just video creation, it's also heavily focused on localization, meaning you can take one video and automatically translate it into dozens of languages with synced lip movements. So overall, HeyGen isn't just a video tool. It's more like a full AI video production system designed for creators, marketers, and businesses who want to scale content fast. Now, let us talk about the main features of HeyGen. AI avatars. Yes, HeyGen gives you access to hundreds of pre-built avatars, and you can even create your own custom avatar. This means that you can literally create a digital version of yourself that speaks your script. Voice cloning. You can clone your own voice or use AI generated voices that sound natural. Then there's video translation with lip sync. One of HeyGen's most powerful features is that you can translate videos into over 175 languages and dialects. You can also maintain accurate lip syncing, which is huge if you're targeting a global audience. Text to video creation. With this, you can just type your script and HeyGen turns it into a full video with an avatar, a voice, subtitles, and even visual scenes. Custom digital twin. You can create a personalized AI version of yourself that can deliver content automatically. And there are templates and branding tools. Yes, HeyGen includes templates and a brand kit so your videos stay consistent. High quality exports. So depending on your plan, you can export videos in 720p, 1080p, and even 4K. And of course, there is fast video generation. Compared to traditional editing, HeyGen significantly reduces the production time. So what is the pricing like? There's a free plan at $0 per month, which is an ideal starting point for creators and marketers who want to try out the tools. Of course, it's limited to a video per month, videos up to 3 minutes, and a lot of other limitations. But the creator plan, which is the most popular, is the $29 per month plan. Unlimited videos and videos up to 30 minutes can be produced. There's also the pro plan at $99 per month. Now these prices are available when you decide to pay monthly. If you want to pay annually, then the prices go down. And of course, there's a plan for businesses as well. So having considered all this, what are the pros and cons of using HeyGen? First, the pros. It's extremely easy to use. There are no technical skills needed. It saves time and production costs. It has high quality AI avatars and it supports multiple languages. It is great for scaling content and there's no need for camera or editing setup. How about the cons? Some advanced features are limited by usage credits. AI avatars still not 100% human-like. It can get expensive for heavy users and the rendering can take time depending on the complexity of the video. So now the big question once again, is HeyGen actually worth the $29 per month for the creator plan? Well, the answer really depends on how you plan to use it. So if you're a content creator, a marketer, and a business owner, or someone who needs consistent video output, then honestly, HeyGen can be an incredible investment. However, if you're expecting completely unlimited usage, perfect human realism, or zero limitations, then you might be a little disappointed because Like most AI tools, there are still credit limits, there are feature restrictions and occasional inconsistencies. But to be candid, it's worth $29 per month for the creator plan if you plan to use it consistently. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Synthesia, DID, and Veed. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.